Hello everyone, today we're gonna check our Corsa V, and the problem is that it's quite overheating. When I check in the reservoir, I can easily open, so that's mean the coolant system is not building up the pressure. So normally the common things is the water pump, which is located here, or also it might be the thermostat is in closed position. So if in closed position, the coolant is not recirculating, so that's why it's quite overheating, and that's one of the main signals when it's not building pressure. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna replace the thermostat, which is located here. This is the actual thermostat, and the water pressure at on this surface. So this push down the surface, and this spring compress, allowing the water to go through the sides of the surface. So the first step to access to the thermostat, it will be removing this clamp here. Now I'm going to proceed to remove these 3 bolts that hold the thermostat housing. The socket number is E10. After that, you remove the 3 bolts, just pull it out. Here is the thermostat. My thermostat probably was stuck in the closed position, so it was not opening, so the water never flows, and that's why I never pressurize the reservoir. I recommend giving a little cleaning here, so the new O-ring can make a good seal here. Fine sandpaper is good. Just align, pull the bolts, tighten up, connect the hose. So your hose and clamp, I tighten it, 3 bolts. I'm going to refill the coolant, and I'm going to remove this plug here to prime the system in case there is any air trap in the system. This is a T30, so we're gonna turn on the car, let the car running, so we can prime the system through here. Yes, so it was a thermostat. So normally this is the problem when your car is overheating and you open the reservoir, you don't feel pressure. The problem is the coolant that is not circulating inside the engine. So normally it could be 2 things. So is it the water pump, or it could be the thermostat. Normally you go with the thermostat first, and then on the second, which is a little bit more difficult, you go with the water pump. Normally with the water pump you will feel a noise, which is the impeller that normally is broken. So that's why in my case I was almost pretty sure that it was a thermostat. If you feel like a dragging noise, something like metal with metal, something, usually it's the water pump that is the axis, the shaft in the water pump is broken, or it's already bent, and it's not aligned.